Hiya, my name's Evie Pow. I'm one of the dentists here at Gwyrddach Dental Practice. We've been using the Greener Primary Care Wales framework to make some sustainable changes at the practice. Come inside and have a look.
Good morning, bore da, welcome to GCG Dental.
As well as a friendly welcome, the first thing you'll notice when you arrive is there's no paperwork. We ask all patients to sign in on our iPads. In fact, everything is digital, even our scan-in appointments. We rarely take physical impressions anymore to try and reduce postage and wasted gypsum material.
Come in.
We really encourage patients to have multiple appointments on the same day.
Have a little seat in the chair.
So they can see the hygienist and the dentist without having to make a return journey to the practice, reducing their travel and emissions. When it comes to dental equipment, we're now using reusable autoclavable tools and ditching single-use plastic, including suction tips and our stainless steel cups. So we can see anywhere up to 500 patients per week in the practice. If every patient were to use a plastic rinse cup, that would be over 500 plastic cups going to landfill every week. That's why we introduced our metal stainless steel cups. These are now autoclaved and reused, really reducing our single-use plastic, our clinical waste and our carbon emissions. When it comes to our staff being more environmentally friendly, most of us commute to work on foot or by bike where we can. We're a competitive lot, so being active and seeing who can log the most steps or miles a week is good fun, but also good for our health and well-being, as well as reducing our carbon footprint. Perhaps one of our biggest impacts has been cutting down on our waste. This means we recycle what we can and reduce the number of clinical waste bags we send to incineration. We've now reduced our clinical waste from producing around 20 kilograms a week to now only producing around 8 kilograms a week. I wanted to be a dentist because I like working with people, and I think kind of providing healthcare is a real privilege, but it's also really important to be able to do that long term. We are facing kind of a climate crisis, so it's really important that we act now, not just talk about it. And I'm really proud of the team and all my colleagues because we're all kind of working towards that, and I think we're really making a difference.